Right.
A little urban oasis. It's always a little cooler up here.
Oh, I bet. Yeah, the shade. Moderate things.
Fresh air and all that. All the. I like all the other plants like growing on.
Mm-hmm.
Usually, like, you see like 2 other people here the entire time here. And then a Saturday you might see like 5 or 6.
A little, and plus they have the Santi.
But today, with this,
Santita.
you're going to be like, this place has happened.
Yeah.
But usually it's, I always like to see people using it because I'm always afraid that
It's going to get turned into condos if they don't do
like
something.
If you don't use it, they're going to start selling it off.
Yeah. That's a real threat, I'm
That's the
sure.
kind of shit they do.
Yeah, exactly. A real threat.
Oh, look at it.
I'll let you go.
Perfectly good land here, even though obviously this would be hard to build on. They don't care.
Nah, they'll just bulldoze. Oh, here's the duck pond you were referencing.
I mean, they made a little, like, it's manufactured.
Yeah, like a dam, it looks like.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. That's neat, the tree that's leaning on it. I wonder if that got knocked over during during a storm. Neat.
It looks almost like avocado leaves or something. Look at those leaves.
I know, they're huge. Let me zoom in for the viewers. Maybe somebody will know what this is. There's a tortuga in there.
Oh, there's tons of little
Swimming with.
ton of fish and tortugas.
Okay.
When the rain got kind of muddy, usually it's not that turbid.
Oh, yeah. Still neat.
But yeah, we used to come here with the kids. Look, you can see.
Oh, yeah, there's a ton of fish there. Let me see. I'll zoom in for people. Hopefully see that. And this goes into an arroyo downstream a little bit. I don't know if these are grandis or elegans, but they're the orbicular full leaf. Beautiful. No seeds. Oh, yes.
There's kind of a steep hill. We can walk up this way.
Okay.
And go to
Is it circuitous? We can
go up to the little. There's another duck pond, and then we can walk back and go up that way.
Okay. All right.
And we can go forever if we want.
Yeah.
There's a pollinator garden, and that's sort of the other way.
Okay.
But
Yeah. Let's do the hill hike. I could use the exercise. So.
all right.
We'll stop here.
There's the rock over the top.
¿Cómo? Si te salió toda la cinta, ¿qué tú vas a hacer? ¿Cómo la enrollas?
Different manada, different scout troops.
Okay. I think that's a corifer there.
See, like little props, like handbags, and
Right.
bottle opener.
Yeah,
You
trinkets.
can walk up here.
Yep.
Somehow. Oh, there's kind of. I don't know if there's any trees up there. Honestly.
Okay.
I mean, you can definitely see some huge trees. Yeah. You can walk up here.
Okie doke. Whatever you wish. What is almendro?
Almendro is almonds.
Oh, okay. Almond tree. I wonder if that's the tropical almond. There's
Yes.
catapa is the species. I can't remember the genus right away.
Yeah.
They have those in fact they're kind of invasive.
Yes.
Even up in my area.
Yeah. I don't think they're native. Oh no. See, there's some of the there's a
Yeah.
down ones.
There are also sea beans that show up on the shore in the wreck. Terminalia catapa. I knew it would eventually come to me. There's actually an active ingredient in there, psychoactive. I don't know what it does, if it's a stimulant. I've read that they have that in there. All right. Glad I remembered that name. I haven't used it in forever. I can pull through the sludge in my head.
Yeah, the canopy here is cool.
Very nice. Yeah, I imagine in the summer when it's beastly, this is nice.
Yeah, like, especially if we wake up a little late to exercise outside.
You can come here under the
Come
canopy.
here at like 10 o'clock, you're still,
Shaves 5 degrees off.
yeah.
Yeah.
You know, where you couldn't, one of the other parks you walk out would be a lot hotter.
Okay.
This is like almost, it's not a pocket park, but there's two kind of small parks. They have track laid down that we will use. But it's maybe the size of this duck pond. Thing.
Oh gosh.
You go around like
diminutive.
25 times.
Yeah, just to get a little bit of an exercise. Okay, now we're on the back side of that carafe
Yeah.
there.
So I was thinking that we could kind of go back through there,
Okay.
and yeah, I'm here for you.
I tell you what, you know how to provide. Look at them, man. They're having a good time. So this is a pollinator garden.
Yeah, this is like the newest thing.
Polinizadores. Oh, my word I learned today was agradezca. I think that I'm saying it really bad, but just like I'm grateful or whatever.
Yeah. I don't hear that used much.
Probably.
But you should see it.
That's a very, very polite. Like I figure if I'm,
like a la orden is kind of like a course.
yeah, I figure if I'm imposing on somebody, I'll say a la garazeda or how. Well, that last part I'm still stumbling on. I just learned it this morning, so.
You know, facilities here.
Yeah, like research. That looks like a big breadfruit tree right there.
Yes, that probably is.
I see a lot of that just showing up in people's yards. Must not be the time of year for the fruit because I haven't seen any fruit growing. Unless there's like male and female trees, which I don't think. It's in the fig family, so I think they have complete flowers.
So, yeah, here's some classrooms and whatnot.
Okay. Is that the same guy that had the elephant here? Or the pastry?
Probably,
He must have
handed
looked.
one to his buddy.
Yeah. Oh, that's true. Just a transporter.
I'm stuck here. Get me.
That's it. Oh, careful, Vic.
Sorry.
They might be turning
Going
left.
Slow. Some people go so
He
fast.
guided it. Yeah, he was telling her to turn left over there.
So we're going to turn right at this little thing.
Okay.
Like one of the main buildings. Like, I don't really show you, but the president of the university has a house up.
Oh.
Like if we had taken a left instead of a right, we're on the way to the pollinator garden.
Okay.
And then there's some like administrative buildings over here for the university. Not like students wouldn't go there, but
Yeah.
that building
There's
is
a truck
a
there.
university building.
Okay.
And these are kind of abandoned. I think people used to live here, you know, to do research, and now it's
Yeah, like dormitories for research and stuff.
yeah.
Now that tree over there kind of looks, the little one, just past this twin trunk thing, it's probably royal palms. It looks like jackfruit or yake. If you don't mind, I'm gonna, yeah, I'm gonna diverge real quick. It might not be, but just from a distance it looked like it. But then I could be wrong. There's some royals right there. Nah, this isn't jackfruit. Fooled me. Anyway, we're over here. That's not jackfruit, so unfortunately. Oh, they got a bunch of birds up there. No, just birds hanging out.
A little grown over, but there's usually people here
Okay.
from Calabasa, or I don't know what all.
Yeah, right.
Definitely plantains or bananas or something. I'm not
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
These
there's
are
a little
probably
racket. Yeah, they look like plantains. They look like the long ones that guy was selling up at the front there. I wonder if that elephant leaf thing is a type of taro of some kind. Colocasia or allocated.
Yeah.
It's what they make koi with. All that stuff.
Sorry.
That's okay. I walked into you.
I'm gonna get out of here in case I run into some ants or something.
Oh, yeah.
I'm
Yeah,
good
I
at
noticed.
finding that shit.
Yeah, I noticed you guys have fire ants too. It sucks.
Yeah, Jorge's really good at finding that stuff. They smell him and they're like, doop.
Yep, our friend. Let's attack.
So we were kind of, there's some tarps and stuff up there. That's where we were when we walked that hill.
Okay.
That's where all that stuff is.
Okay.
And some here again, just more.
There's a Dictyosperma and an Iphanes perhaps. And I don't know what that, it's spiny as well. I'm not sure what that is over there. You guys can call it out if you want.
It's a little muddy right there if you want to go around it.
Yes. That'll be some good videography of the camera. Look up at the sky all of a sudden.
Look how it's twisted around that.
Oh, that, yeah.
Well, it took over that tree or something.
Yeah. Yeah, the birds will drop those Schefflera seeds. It happens in, and sometimes there'll be a dead palm and the Schefflera is growing right on top, so it looks like it's a different hybrid plant of some kind. Yeah.
So yeah, that totally like grew a plant on top of that palm tree. That's interesting.
Normally, I mean, that is probably on the parasitic side.
Yeah.
In this climate, but in Florida they're not so aggressive as to kill the host, but that may eventually overtake the host, or the wind might help kill it. I don't know. But those are there's another hurricane palm. Speaking of hurricanes, there's a Copernicia, another Liquala, Burchardia. Almost looks like doesn't look like Thurstonii. The dunkles aren't long enough for it, but my friend Keith will chime in on that. He knows Liquala or the Burchardia really well. Another little Copernicia there. Copernicia. There's a Liquala. Ooh, Sable. No, that's Copernicia.
Now the ones that are all, that's like a different kind of palm tree. Like this.
Yeah, this is a Liquala.
Okay. And then it's different than the other one next to it?
That's Copernicia. So Liquala's old world, I think tropical, like Southeast Asia, if I'm not mistaken, and my audience can correct me on that. The Copernicia is Americas. Usually the Caribbean, like Cuba, Dominican Republic, and stuff like that. Yeah. I think these guys come from Southeast Asia and the Pacific.
Is my neighbor? No, that's not the same one as my neighbor has.
I'll have to look to see.
I see them, and to me, like that one and that one look so similar. I mean, this one seems to have like two things against the ridge, and that seems to have a bunch of ridges. So. Right. Now that I look at it, I'm like, okay, maybe.
Yeah. That's what got me into palms years ago. Is I started noticing differences. I'm like, and then I have a like obsessive personality, and I'm like, okay, so what's the difference? And then I just got down a huge rabbit hole that I've never escaped. 30-something years later.
There's worse rabbit holes.
Yeah, I could have had worse obsessive patterns, but
the big ones. I'm about to hit the big one, honey.
That's it. Going to Vegas again. We've already got 3 mortgages on the house. Should we?
And this is this a palm tree too?
That is.
I don't expect you to know the names of all. It's just funny that.
No,
some of them are so different.
It's a Syagris, I believe, which is New World. It's like mostly South America. There are Caribbean Syagris. That's why I was hesitating, because there's an Amara that grows in the Caribbean. I don't think that's Amara, but it looks like a Syagris. That's a spindle palm right there. This little guy with the friffy flowers. That comes from the old world, Asia. And those are probably Coccothrinax right there. Those are Caribbean.
Well, we can cut down this way. It might be a little muddy, but.
Okay. Yes, as you wish.
Might be an escape hatch somewhere. But
okay.
If not, we'll get fed out to this other little.
Sounds good.
A different parking lot.
Okay.
If we went that way, we'd go to our parking lot. It all kind of.
It converges.
None of it's fun.
Yeah.
It's not. Oh, here's a big rooster.
Oh yeah. Forest chicken. Yeah, there were chickens on the beach this morning in Dorado, and I was like, beach chickens. Chilling on the beach.
Chickens are pretty ubiquitous here. Yeah.
I'd say so, yeah.
Oh, there's a bunch, and I didn't even see them.
Yeah, that's a big boy right there.
That's a
Good
really
Lord.
Big one. It's like, this is my roost.
Yeah, and these are my ladies. And
oh, look at that. That's cool feathers on that one.
I know, the one's pretty. I'm going to see if I can
green.
zoom before he gets nervous. All right, focus, please. There you go, pretty. There's a little batch of mango trees through there. I'm not sure if they're particular cultivars or if it's just where they stuck all the mango trees. That looks like a massive fabaceous tree there. I'm not sure what it is. Something clumping like American oil palm, maybe. Not sure. Or something in that, New World, casually known as. Okay.
It's a little bit It's not slippery. Right
No,
now.
yeah,
Half
it's
the time
cool.
I'm here, it's like
Really
just
slick.
rain. It's like, eh.
Yeah. Slide at your own risk.
Going. I mean, you can get on this grass.
And there's some nice sort of steakies here. This is where I started. If I do this sequentially in the order that I filmed it.
Yeah, because there's all those lipsticks.
Yeah, and you know, those have to be ancient because lipstick is a slow palm. They've got them down in Fairchild in Miami, but they barely move because we have a cooler season. It kind of slows them down. So, yeah, some kind of oil palm or Italia, I guess maybe. Maybe I'll stop here.